back. No bell today. No soup for you. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, February 27th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. Same bad time, same bad channel. A little sick, so I'm a little nasally. I apologize. I'm going to cut it a little short today because out of breath. Painful. What the hell? Achy. Maybe it's an ulcer from today's trading. Oh, baby. S&P looking like they were going to come in, and then, of course, holding a channel line. And when you look at this, it looks like we should rally. This is a nice outside candle. Now, once again, didn't take it out. And he got a shooting star on the hourly. But I'll tell you, this should be it. This market probably goes up nicely tomorrow. You would think 3 times the charm. This looks much better, right up, closing near the highs. So the S&P 500 daily candle looks great. Outside, good news out of the U.S. We have pending home sales up 2%. G20 forcing Germany's hand. Germany approves the bailout to the Greeks. But the euro relatively weak across the board. The yen exploding after gapping up Sunday night in thin Asian trading. Japanese talking, really saying they don't want excessive moves either way. So you look at this daily chart in euro dollar. See a nice head and shoulders brouhaha. Now you got your head. But I still think we got to hit this channel line. I still think we got to hit 136. I still think it's a buy on pullback until we hit that level. Stock market looks like it wants to fly. March 1st, Eurogroup meeting to discuss the demands of the IMF and the G20. So now we have another date. We continue to get new dates every day. But you take a look at Euro yen. This is the pullback we were looking for. It's still going higher, in my opinion. Dollar yen, nice pullback, but certainly the outside candle, almost dollar yen, and I think we could easily come in 106. Certainly take out today's lows. We became way overbought, due for a pullback, but again, this whole downtrend channel line is busted. To me, this is a buy on pullback for a monster more move up. So I think we fib, and we're a buy on pullback. This move is not over. U.S. durable goods coming out tomorrow. We got really no numbers in Japan. Retail sales, not a big number there. No news in Asia, Australia, New Zealand, nothing. But again, the stock market, really the story of the day. Comeback kid. Not even Tuesday. Crude selling off late in the session. Iranian situation abating a bit. But you take a look at this dollar yen daily chart, well, almost an outside day. I still think we can pull back to this level right here, 79.50, 60 level. Certainly it looks like we stalled for now, and we should back and fill. So I'm looking to scoop these things up, 79.60 level. I think you short them, and then you get long them. But monster days, sterling yen. Almost a 300 pip reversal from the high. You would think that's going to come in. Cable failed, couldn't rally at all. Even with the S&P strong. Commodity currencies, how about that pound Aussie? Complete reversal. So on Friday, we had commodity currencies on the relative strength losing side. And today they saved the day. Pound Aussie right back in the fold. Australia right back as the relative strength winner. Aussie looking like it wants to take off. And remember, I will be doing a webinar for FX Street March the 1st. Big day to do one. Let me tell you, this Aussie could explode. S&P's launched tonight, which I think they could. We're going up. We got London retail realized sales coming out tonight, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. You would think those numbers are going to be good. But sterling now failing to break through, possibly range trading now. So I could see sterling coming in, maybe reversing after being down. Another 100 pips, get down to 57.50, maybe hold. 57.30. But again, I think commodity currency the place to be. Dollar Canada reversing nicely. Look at the shooting star, baby. Double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it. Getting ready to go lower. Should we take out this 99? Oh, baby. Say goodnight. And I still like Luna Yen. Monster pullback. Opportunity knocking, baby. The train is still going up. BOP. And again, I think this the rally is going to come in the yen. So dollar yen I see tonight. Maybe dollar Canada drifts lower. Dollar yen comes in. New Zealand held up very well. Again, relative strength winner, pound Kiwi. This thing is ready to explode. Almost new closing high. Can you say 85? I sure can. Very nasally 85. Case-Shiller House Price Index also coming out. Consumer confidence coming out of the U.S. Big day. Richmond Fed. Oh, my. Lots of U.S. data. Lots of good stuff. And if you want to link to that webinar I'm doing on the carry trade and the correlation, all you got to do, take a look at the Aussie dollar. And you take a look at the S&P. Lock, step. Just about. S&P's higher. It's time for the Aussie to play catch-up. It's time for the Aussie to explode. Commodity currencies in the house. And I think, again, this S&P, the bears might, it didn't make it. That's an outside camp. I think we had maybe a pullback tonight, but you want to be buying on pullbacks. It looks like the S&P is going to launch maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. A monster turn around Tuesday to the downside. Maybe durable goods are going to be great. All the U.S. numbers are going to be great. S&Ps fly, and we start selling off after 10:30 a.m. Eastern. So I think the go sign is there. And I'm not saying it's going to happen. Maybe we close at the highs tomorrow. If that happens, we're going to continue to go higher. So tomorrow is a crucial day to see if we finally break out and hold, or do we have a monster turnaround Tuesday to the downside? Oh, baby. Dollar Swiss, I still like short. Even though it popped up, I could see dollar Swiss maybe banging up to 90.50. Euro dollar looks like it might want to come in a little bit more. 133, 133.20. Love this Euro Canada short. Nice reversal there. Big time. And we did take out previous day highs, which is a good thing for reversals if that's what you're looking for. And certainly Euro Aussie. Nice reversal. Aussie did not break. That was your go sign. When Aussie dollar did not break and it held, S&Ps were making new lows and the Aussie was holding. That was your go sign to say, hey, market's not going down. And you look at this Euro Aussie monster outside candle. That's it. And I think Dennis Gartman's read today is very, very good. I highly recommend it to everyone because it is a big game of chicken. The Germans don't think the Greeks are going to agree to something. They agree, but they lie. How do you play ball with someone like that? You know, Germans tell them, all right, you're going to have to cut your pensions. Okay. Never thinking they're going to actually agree to it. All right, you're going to have to cut your work week. Okay. So they keep agreeing to all these austerity measures when no one's really believing they're actually going to do it. How are they going to lend them money under that precondition? I'll tell you how. If they send German economic troops into Greece to make sure they do. Can you imagine German tax collectors making sure the Greeks hold their austerity measures? It'll never work. Never. And The next month, we got lots of good stuff coming out that's going to finally test this crap they're trying to pass over the market. Because that's what it is, crap. Crude, not really an outside candle, but certainly looks like it wants to come in. 106. Gold. Pain. Something's going on. Gold working off its overboughtness a little bit. Couldn't take out 1775, but still gold looking to me very good. Certainly under 1700 would change my bias. But for now, print, print, print. Print, print, print. And that should mean gold going higher, higher, higher. Lastly, euro sterling. Nice little reversal to the downside. I know it came back a little bit, but I still think it topped out. Could not get through 85. Yeah, I would like to have seen it hit my channel line, which it still might. I still think this 85.50 great level. And again, with London CBI realized sales coming out, could be good, but you get a weak number that could cause sterling to be the relative straight loser like it was today. And the euro with a turnaround Tuesday potential. You never know. But again, if Australia breaks out and we take out 108 and we clear it and hold it, that's going to be a very good sign for the market. So you take a look at this hourly chart in Australia. I'm going to do an early show. I'm telling you, my stomach is killing me. You take a look at this hourly chart. And should we take out 108 and hold for a couple of hours and futz around here and build a little flag for a little bit, that's going to be your go sign that the stock market's going to break out. And if the S&Ps are breaking out over 1371, 72, we're making a run for this channel line and going up. To the moon, Alice. We've been in a what? 2-week holding pattern. 200 pip range. At the highs. Oh, baby. Aussie leads the day. Try my product, people. I promise you'll learn a lot. Winter special for only $400 US. Andrew Spanton. Think about what Dennis Gartman cost per month. Just for Gartman, it's $400. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Big night ahead.